Let me tell you about a time I was working against a prosecutor that really screwed up in the case. We represent people who are caught in cars with less than lawful items from time to time. In one of those cases, our client was the passenger in the vehicle and there were multiple other occupants, including the driver. After the initial traffic stop, law enforcement searched that vehicle and found a substantial amount of drugs in the trunk of the car. Each of the co-defendants had separate counsel, and our client hired us long into the process of their case. However, before we had been hired, the co-defendant driver who owned the vehicle had worked out a deal with the government and received much more lenient sentence than his co-defendants were facing. In this case, the prosecutor was far too lenient for a co-defendant, which made an uphill battle for our client. I can't say for certain that this client would have had a far better outcome if he had hired us earlier. However, there would have been the opportunity to work out a deal before his co-defendant that got the most favorable outcome in the case.